Hey there, folks. It's me again, and we're going down the rabbit hole one more time with Suno AI. Another amazing tip for all those people out there who use Suno, the amazing artificial intelligent tool that creates or generates digital music. I think we should use the word generate rather than create, because generate is what we're telling it to do. And speaking of generate, today's tip is all about prompting. I've discovered in the past couple of hours how to really tweak my prompt to achieve what I'd like it to achieve. Now, I'm thankful and actually okay with Suno achieving 99% of what I'd like it to achieve. So just be aware that it'll never get to 100%. It'll get close, but then it'll make some other mistakes and you'll hear some glitching and stuff. But the tip for today with your prompting is to be exact and precise in regards to what you're trying to achieve. So here's a song that I wrote about 30 years ago. Wow. And you can have a little sample.
I'm so sorry. Never meant to hurt you, never meant to make you cry, never meant to be so scared I'm gonna run and hide. I never meant to harm you, and I never meant to lie. Never wanna face the truth that I can't deny. I never wanna sing again, never wanna breathe. I never wanna lie awake and cry myself to sleep. I never wanna talk again, I never wanna speak. Never want another drink, it just makes me so weak. 'Cause I don't want no one better than you. 'Cause I don't want no one better than you.
Okay, so I wrote that song about 30 years ago, and it's always been in the back of my mind to recreate that song. So today I've had the chance to recreate that song using Suno AI. And so what I've done is I've uploaded it into Suno using our upload feature. When you go to create a song, you click upload the audio, and then Suno will actually go and recreate it for you. And then here is the actual song that Suno generated. Now, in the prompting, I did write, create an 80s ballad, blending the R&B neo-soul genres with extra emphasis, and this is very crucial, with an extra emphasis on the ad-libs and the scat runs. So I wanted the big vocal soul male voice to do all those ad-libs that they do in those big ballads. And then I said, also add the gospel choir for the full effect. And believe me, just adding those little prompt notes in there has achieved pretty close to what I think it should achieve. And here's the actual generated product. Nice little intro.
Never meant to hurt you, never meant to make you cry, never meant to be so scared I'm gonna run and hide. Never meant to harm you, and I never meant to lie. Never wanna face the truth that I can't deny. Never wanna sing again, never wanna breathe. Never wanna lie awake and cry myself to sleep. Never wanna talk again, never wanna speak. Never want another drink, it just makes me so weak. 'Cause I don't want no one better than you.
Did you hear the gospel choir in there doing the background vocals? Wow, Suno, you've hit it again.
'Cause I don't want no one better than you. I never wanna walk again, and I never wanna want your innocence to become my pastime. Never wanna see you again, and I never wanna ride, 'cause you're never gonna love me again. So I might lay down and cry, 'cause I don't want no one better than you. I don't want no one better than you.
Let's see if Suno can actually pick up the ad-libs, hey?
Said I don't want no one better than you. 'Cause I don't want no one better than you. Oh, yeah.
This is a breakdown. Okay. So I did add into the prompt, this is the breakdown with some spoken word. Let's see if it does a spoken word.
'Cause I don't want someone who's not devoted to your crown. To your crown, don't settle for less than what I used to have with you. So really saying, I said I won't settle for less. I won't settle for nothing less than what I'm used to. And I'm used to you.
Okay, Suno, you've outdone yourself one more time. I can't believe how well you have recreated my own song. I did go and reprompt it to give it another variation. I told it to blend pure R&B ballads with soulful tones. I used the word tones in there, with the subtle vocal runs and scat ad-libs scattered throughout the song, so it can add its own variation with the ad-libs and the vocal runs, and then ensure the build-up and the crescendo of the song ends with a chorus and an a cappella. So let's go and see what Suno has generated for the gospel version of Better Than You. Wow. Nice. Nice. Wow. That's a vocal intro, a cappella version.
Never meant to hurt you, never meant to make you cry. Never meant to be so scared. I'm gonna run and hide. I never meant to harm you, and I never meant to lie. I never wanna face the truth that I can't deny.
Okay, so right there, it did a little scat right at the end of the word try, and it just did a nice varied run of a male vocal. That to me is phenomenal. That is a machine doing that.
I never wanna sing again, never wanna breathe. I never wanna lie awake and cry myself to sleep. I never wanna talk again, I never wanna speak. Never want another drink, it just makes me so weak. 'Cause I don't want one better than you. 'Cause I don't want no better than you. I never wanna walk again, and I never wanna dance. Never wanna love again, 'cause I don't deserve a chance. Never wanna smile again, and I never win a prize.
Oh my God. I would never be able to achieve that, but this machine is taking these ad-libs, these licks, these scats, these runs, and making them silky smooth. Unbelievable.
Never want that happiness, and I never want to die. Never want your innocence to become my pastime. Never want to see you again, and I never want to ride. 'Cause you're never gonna love me again, so I might lay down and cry.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. That is super amazing. Just using that prompt of adding subtle vocal runs and scat ad-libs to your track in Suno will give you that big gospel sound when they sing those gospel hymns and gospel anthems. It's amazing. Oh, wow. So that's what I've discovered in the past 2 to 3 hours. I'm still super excited about it. Just had to make this video and show you folks that this Suno machine is unbelievable, and I will continue down the rabbit hole. You should follow me, and I will challenge the Suno machine to become bigger, better, faster, stronger as we continue down the rabbit hole with Suno.ai. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you've got any tips or hacks out of it. I think this is a great way of sharing music. This is the new age of sharing music. We create it, we share it straight away. And send us a comment. Tell us what you think, and I'll respond back to you straight away. Or if there's something you think I'm missing out on, and then I can give that a try. And I'll see you in the next video.